Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Aman, your new techie friend. From eParagraphics, a place for your regular dose of techie beyond. Today, I am going to share you a common incident. Something that happens with most people. Meet my friend, Manish. He works for a multinational company. He works very hard. He uses his laptop a lot. But he hardly get time to take care of it. He was unhappy because of this problem. But then, I helped him. Now he is very happy. Because, now he can focus on his work. And his laptop is also performing great. Today we are going to discuss a very common issue regarding your laptop and desktop. The performance issue. Are you still hankering for the day when you pulled your new PC out of the box, plugged it in, and it was just amazing? Or after a fresh OS install it was so smooth? Over time and use, your PC can slow down. This could be due to various issues like hardware and softwares. I will talk about both in this series of video. For the started we will be doing the basic optimization part in this video. Later, in next video we will be doing more advanced part. So let's get started. First, close all your applications. Then press Windows plus R keys on your keyboard and open Run. Type %temp% and hit enter. Select all files and delete them. Some will not be deleted, it's normal. Then again press Windows plus R keys on your keyboard and open Run. Type temp and hit enter. Select all files and delete them. Again press Windows plus R keys on your keyboard and open Run. Type prefetch and hit enter. Select all files and delete them. Now, we will be downloading two softwares. Links will be given in the descriptions. CCleaner and Revo Uninstaller. Also, I will suggest to use Defragger. It improves hard disk performance. First, let me start with Revo. Launch Revo Uninstaller. Find the application, which you don't use and then remove them. Don't uninstall anything related with Microsoft, like runtimes library, updates, and patches. In this example, I am removing VideoScribe. I don't use this application, hence, I am removing it. This is how we remove any unwanted software. The reason I suggest Revo, as it clean all remaining files related to application and also clean up the registry. Now, let's install CCleaner. Follow the screen instructions and make sure you unselect any add-on application. We will clean Chrome first. Launch Run and type %appdata%. Go to local folder. In local open Google. Then Chrome. Open user data. Choose default and then open cache. Select all files and then delete them. Now we will clean Firefox. I use CyberFox, which is a Firefox-based browser. It is similar to Firefox, but with more functionality. Launch Run and type %appdata%. Go to local folder. In local open Firefox. Then Profiles. Open the folder which ends with .default. Choose Cache and then open Entries. Select all files and then delete them. Make sure, after these steps, empty your recycle bin. Now our browsers are good. We will now launch CCleaner. Keep what is checked and choose Windows Error Reporting, DNS Cache and Font Cache. If you don't use Event Log, delete them and also old prefetched data. Click Analyze and follow screen instructions. Now go to Application tab and clean the application-based junk files. Click Registry and then scan for issues. Just follow the screen instructions. Now, if you are admin user, go to Tools else close CCleaner and then run it as administrator. In Startup, try to disable all third-party applications. But be safe, don't disable anything without being sure about it. To know about an application, right-click and then go to Folder. If it's a third-party application, we can disable it. Don't disable anything from Microsoft. You can also uninstall program from CCleaner. Now close CCleaner. This step is optional, but I suggest you to do it. Install defragger. But a warning. If you are using SSD, don't defrag. It's not advised to defrag SSD. Also, to achieve good performance, purchase at least a 64 GB of SSD for installing Windows OS. Now let's use defragger application. Select the hard disk partition which we need to defrag. My Windows C is SSD hard disk partition, so I leave it as A. Only normal mechanical hard disk should be defragged. I choose the hard disk partition work data D. Click on Analyze. Once it is done, click Defrag. Choose this option, as we are doing it for the first time. In future, you can also opt for Quick Defrag. I suggest you to perform all these steps at least every 15 days. It will be good if you do it weekly. It hardly take 10 minutes. But it will improve your PC's performance and life. In the next video I will take on some advanced steps. Please ignore typing errors. Till then, take care. If you like my video, please share and subscribe.